Effective planning begins long before you board your flight. Book flights and accommodations early to avoid inflated prices and limited availability. Use fare comparison tools and consider alternative airports. For attractions, secure tickets online and opt for priority passes to skip long lines. Smart planning ensures a smoother travel experience. Navigating crowded tourist spots requires strategy. Visit popular attractions early in the morning or late afternoon to avoid peak times. Explore alternative destinations that offer similar experiences but with fewer tourists. These small adjustments can significantly enhance your enjoyment and reduce stress during peak travel seasons. Security is crucial, especially in crowded areas. Use anti-theft bags and stay aware of your surroundings to protect your valuables. Be mindful of digital security by using virtual private networks or VPNs and securing your devices. Simple precautions can ensure a worry-free trip and safeguard your belongings. Managing your budget effectively is key during peak seasons. Rising prices due to high demand can strain finances. Save on accommodation, food, and transportation without compromising quality. Look for deals, use public transit, and explore local dining options. Smart budgeting allows you to enjoy your trip without financial stress.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Share it with fellow travelers and adventure seekers. For more tips, guides, and travel inspiration, visit monthlytravelguide.com. Your next adventure awaits.